Shivoham, welcome back to Life of Chikki. We are on the game board of Yudi's diary. Yudi and Chikki are in 5th standard and today is the first day of the new term at Yudi and Chikki school. Yudi is up early today. He is excited to meet his friends after a long vacation. He is eager to share how he spent his vacations. He looks for Chikki as soon as he gets out of his home to go to school. Both of them go to school together. Hello Chikki, are you excited to meet everyone today? Asks Yudi. Oh yes! What I like the best is the discussion time. The time where we get to discuss about our vacations, replies Chikki. Both of them reach the school and after the assembly, the entire class is busy chattering. The teacher enters the classroom and everyone quietens and they all stand up to wish her. As expected, the teacher announces that today, this day will be dedicated for discussions. Everyone is excited and the entire class wants to share how they spent their vacation. But what is this? There is this one student named Jane who is very quiet. The teacher asks her, "In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you, we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter?" Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Listening to the response of Jane, Yudi wonders, which one is better? Speaking too much or being quiet? Should I talk about everything that is going on in my mind? Or should I keep quiet and be with myself? Yudi knows that he has to prepare himself to receive the answer and keep his mind open, because only Lord Krishna knows in which form he will receive his answer. The best way to prepare himself is to take up the Arise India games. Meanwhile, the entire class is busy sharing their experiences. Will Yudi receive his answers? Come back and let's find out as we progress further in Yudi's diary. If you want to join us on this journey of Life of Chikki, then please subscribe to this channel. Share it with everyone who loves to learn like the Pandavas. Visit our website arisegurukulam.com to join Arise India now.